welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. In today's video I am doing a reset Sunday, so I am showing you exactly how I plan for the week ahead, all the things that I get done on a Sunday to make sure that my week is organised and completely stress-free. So we will get straight into the video. Now, Sunday for me should always be a day when there is no alarm set. So I always get up when my body tells me to get up, and I always make sure that I have a breakfast that I love. This breakfast in particular is my favourite. I always have this lately, it's just my go-to. I also like to get myself a nice refreshing drink, so fizzy water is one drink that I absolutely love, and a top tip is to put some lemon slices in the freezer, which makes them nice and cold in the drink, and they obviously will last then, and you can put them in the freezer all pre-sliced and add to your drinks whenever you want. Whilst I am eating my breakfast and having my fizzy water, I will then have a look at my meal plan. So Sunday is the day to plan the meals for the week ahead. I like to try and have a think about what I'm going to be cooking that week, because I'll be honest, it's one of my least favourite jobs. I really don't like having the decision about what is for tea that evening and thinking about what is going in the boys' packed lunches. I will also update my calendar as well, so remembering anything like appointments, or if I've got to buy a birthday present or anything like that, I will literally just brain dump everything into my calendar and make sure I know exactly what I am doing that week. Another job that I love to get done on a Sunday is to wash the bedding. Now, I tend to leave my bedding actually because I fake tan on a Sunday until the Monday, but the boys' bedding I like to get in the wash on a Sunday. I just think it's really nice to have the fresh bedding on for the week. It's just, I don't know, I just feel like that is a good start to the week, knowing that there is at least fresh bed covers on the boys' beds. And like I say, I do mine on the Monday, so then they are all done out the way. Meal prepping is another thing that I like to try and get done on a Sunday. Even if I don't do lots of different meals, I'll at least try to do some for the week ahead, because if you meal prep, it just means that you're spending less time in the kitchen, which is always a plus for me because it is not my favourite job, and it also means that I am less likely to order a takeaway or anything and will eat healthier meals. So if I have got some recipes to prep, then I will, and I am just making up some portions of chili here. So that is something that I can have for lunches, or we can have as a main meal one night. One thing that gives me pure joy is to restock the fridge for the week and all the cupboards. I like to organise all of the snacks for the packed lunches. I'll prep some fruit for the boys as well, again for their packed lunches and just for easy portions that they can grab. I'll give the fridge a good clean normally on a Sunday as well. Friday is the day I would normally order my shopping, but it's normally the Sunday that I will actually properly organise everything. It's just so nice to have it all neat, and yeah, it just makes me feel really happy seeing the fridge and the cupboards all neat and tidy with all of the food, and I know exactly what we have and what needs eating for the week.
You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my. Like, oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than
There is no better feeling than starting the week with a nice tidy house, so going through the house and giving it a good clean is always a good thing to do on a Sunday. Getting rid of all the weekend clutter, and I think it makes you feel a lot more organised for the week ahead and gives me a clear head anyway for whatever the week is going to bring if I know that at least the house is tidy.
Different, you got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 'cause you got me like
Another thing that gives me a little bit of joy is going through my calendar for the month, going over finances, looking at what bills are going to be coming out that week, what money is spare, what money isn't. So I find that really helpful to stay on top of all of that. And I think it's good to have little mini reviews of these things just so you know where you're at each week. The laundry in this house is never ending, as I'm sure it isn't in a lot of people's houses, but if I can get it all done on a Sunday, then I really feel like I am winning at life. If we have got everything washed, then I know that anything that anybody's going to want to wear throughout the week is going to be done. So if I can get it done all on a Sunday, then I really feel like I have achieved something. A new thing that I have started to do is plan my outfits for the week ahead. So I will check the weather, see what it is doing for that week, and then just try and get an idea of outfits for the week. I don't like rushing in the morning on the school run. I hate it when I can't find what I want to wear. Obviously, I don't always stick to it. It depends on my mood that day, but it is nice to just get some things out just to have an idea of, what I want to wear, so it saves me time in the morning. So if I know on certain days that I'm going to just be at home, then I can obviously just get something comfy on, or if I'm going to be out so many days of the week, then I will put together an outfit that's a bit more dressy, so it just really saves me some time. Once it gets to Sunday evening, I will spend time making sure that the boys are ready for the week ahead as well. I will do things like get the school uniforms out. I do this most evenings, or they do it themselves. I will make sure that each pile is ready for them for the morning. I will get like their sun cream and hair gel ready so that we don't forget to put things like that on. We'll also have a little look at anything for school, so we will sit and do some reading. It's all on tablets at the moment for their school, which is why me and Archie are looking at his tablet there, but we are reading his books. They'll get themselves showered, obviously, as well. It's just our usual evening routine, but we just tend to do it a little bit earlier on a Sunday so that everybody is ready for bed nice and early. And the last thing that I do on a Sunday is to try and take a little bit of time for self-care. So I'll have an evening shower and just use some nice products. Like I say, I tend to do my fake tan on a Sunday as well, so that is something that I will do once I've got out the shower. I've been using the Bondi Sands Ultra Dark Tan. This brush is really good actually for applying that. I'll maybe do a face mask, things like that, just to spend half an hour, just a little bit of me time is definitely necessary, I think, before you start your week. And that is everything for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I would love to see you again for my next one. Take care, everyone. Bye.